This is a Gaussian splat in augmented reality. This is the real location, and this is the augmented reality experience of the Gaussian splat. Scaniverse new augmented reality viewing mode lets you take any Gaussian splat you've created and anchor it to the real world. In this video, I'm going to show you my last tech exploration. I'll show you the entire workflow, the result, and some tips. So let's get started. First step is to download the application Scaniverse and sign up. You go to the location, you start the Scaniverse app. You have to activate the location, click on plus, splat, and you start recording. You have to press on the red button. You point it at the statue and you walk around multiple times. We'll process this later. Now you're at home with the Wi-Fi, you click on the library, you open the scan, and you click on process now. You can already see the result here. Sometimes it's not perfect, and it gives you the option to enhance it. So you click there. This is the result. Sometimes there are some glitches, as you can see. Now let's check it out in augmented reality. I can see part of the splat. Okay, here is the statue. Now it's not very accurate if you notice. Sometimes it's floating in the air. And if I move away, the proportions are not well respected. So it is working. It could use some improvements, but let's do another test. I selected the statue of Sherlock Holmes in London. So the plan is to scan Sherlock Holmes statue with Scaniverse. So here is the statue, and I start walking around it, scanning from every angle. People were constantly passing by. I have to do 2 or 3 rounds to be sure that I scanned everything. Now you select a location, you open the Scaniverse app, you select your last scan, and at the bottom you will find the button AR. You point at the place, and here it is. For example, I try to walk around a little bit, even behind the statue, to really check how stable the application was. In most cases, it was working very well. Sometimes it just doesn't work. For example, now I'm walking around and it is shifting somewhere in space. I don't know what's going on here, but yeah, sometimes it doesn't work properly. I try to scan in different locations. One important aspect is that you need enough lighting. And you need enough space. Here, for example, I'm in a hotel room. There isn't enough space, but there is a lot of lighting. So in the end, the scan is pretty good. Instead, this one is a bad example. There are neon lights here and there. And if you notice, now it just froze. Doesn't move. It's gone. So yeah, you should avoid some environment like this. Okay, now the advantages. You can see the splats in your location, whether you're at home or outside. You need a mobile phone only. You can show it to others. You can capture your last travel memories, and you can download the splats. As I show you, there were also some challenges. The objects were not placed exactly on the ground floor when showing in AR, and sometimes they were drifting, but these things might improve in the future. Now, here are the tips. You need enough space for showing the augmented reality. You need good lighting, internet connection. Take the time to scan the object properly. Walk around it multiple times if necessary. And select objects that are isolated, like statues. Don't select the ones that are connected to something else, like a building. Otherwise, the scan will be messy. I will publish next more videos about Gaussian splatting, so stay tuned.